Garage fronts part 2. Take the measurement of your bottom plate, scribe that measurement onto your header, grab 2 more trimmers, flush them up, and nail them to your header. Take a 2x6 and cut it to the width of your bottom plate. Measure in where your bolts are going to poke through the bottom plate and drill the 2 holes. Do a quick test fit, then nail the bottom plate to the bottom of your trimmers and stuff. Take 2 blocks the width of the opening between the 2 trimmers and nail them together. Measure down 4 feet from the top of your double top plate and put 2 marks on both the trimmers. Middle the boards on that mark and nail them in place. Mark for your stud on your bottom plate, your middle plate, and your header. We're then going to cut in our stud, so measure from your bottom plate to your middle plate and your middle plate to your header for both stud lengths. Finally, nail both studs in place. Next, take a 2x4, just like the studs, cut it in, but this is for backer, and nail it in place perpendicular to your studs. Take the 6 cutoffs from your trimmers and nail them to your header right above your inside trimmers, along with 1 directly in the middle of your header. Rip a piece of 1/2-inch plywood down to 11 7/8, staple them off. It's time to fur down our garage opening. Measure from the floor of your garage to the top of your plate, burn that on your trimmers, and measure 7 foot 1 1/4. That gives us a perfect fur down of 1.5 inches, so take a 2x6, span the inside of the trimmers, and nail there. Take your strap, lay it over your trimmers all the way up to your double top plate, and put a 16 penny nail in each hole. Last step is to stand the garage front and nail it to your garage walls.